Once again, I'm editing and realize I don't have an opening to this video. We've been doing this for almost a year and we're gonna get it down one day, but today's not that day. So today's video is about our second day at Zions Glamping. We had so much fun. Where did we go, Echo?
The hike that we went on.
Water Canyon.
Water Canyon.
Water Canyon
I think it was the Water Canyon Trail.
We have never been to the Water Canyon Trail, but never ends now.
Check it out. It's gonna be awesome.
Well, good morning, pups. Oh, did you get some breakfast? Oh, good morning. Good job. Ow! There you are.
Good morning, love.
How long have you been hanging out?
Oh, not too long. I've just been here in my scriptures.
That's exciting.
It's a lovely view.
Yeah, look at that view. Beautiful tents, beautiful mountain, beautiful sun. I'm gonna read my scriptures, get a little spiritual lifting in for the day, and then we're gonna have some breakfast, go to the bathrooms, get all freshened up. How nice is that? You're literally camping and you can get freshened up. And then we're gonna go all the way down this road to this hiking waterfall thing that they told us about, which is literally so close to Zion. So what a new adventure we're gonna do while already having a cool adventure. Good morning. Are we scriptures? Are we scriptures? Let's get the morning fire started. I'm gonna work on breakfast. I like your adventure outfit.
Thanks.
This is what you want, 1 or 2 bagels, baby. That's what I thought. See, I'm not a big bagel fan unless they're mini, because I feel like the big bagels are just too much. Look at those. That's delicious. There you go, babe.
Thank you. I love bagels. Come on, baby, bless us.
Really? Oh, what'd you find? Oh, they are so happy today. We're headed to the wonderful bathrooms to freshen up, and then we're gonna go on our adventure of the day. We made it to Water Canyon Trailhead. It's literally like 5-minute drive. So close to Zions Glamping. So we're gonna go on a hike and see some beautiful waterfalls, and there's the cutest pond over there that I want to go see. They have never been by a river before. Pops, come check it out. Come check it out. They don't know how they feel about it. Dixie, look. It's a river. Is that cold? Put her face in it. I'm like, I don't like that. So we decided to go a little off-roading, take the path less traveled, you know? The dogs are soaking wet. They look like they're having so much fun though, but the water's freezing. My feet are so cold. We're all so muddy now, but it was an adventure and so worth it. These waterfalls are so beautiful and it's so peaceful and nobody comes down here, so we're like the only people having a great time. Oh boy, the dirtiest dogs. That was a big jump, baby. A year ago tomorrow it will be 1 year since Drake proposed to me. So it's also our last day at Zions Glamping. Sad. But we're gonna go to Zions National Park on the way because that's where he proposed to me, and we've never taken the dogs. But we're just sitting here talking and reminiscing about the past year, and like in May it's our 1 year anniversary, so we're just thinking about all the things that we've done. And what do we say?
We've been to 2 countries.
2 countries.
10 states.
Yep.
5 concerts.
5 concerts.
We've had 2 new dogs introduced into the family.
Yeah.
Bought a house. Bought a house.
So before we got married, we both committed, I guess, to this life of doing things we've never done. That's where Never Ends Now stemmed from. We're like, let's do things that we've never done and make a video about it and have a fun-filled life. And looking back this past year, we really have done so many things we've never done. We've experienced new cultures, new foods, new trials, new adventures, new obstacles.
New partnerships.
Yeah.
New happiness.
Yeah. I didn't know that I could be like so sad, but also like so happy being married, you know, ups and downs and everything that comes with it. But I think that's what makes life worth living, you know, the good, the bad, the ugly, the real, the raw. I'm glad I get to do it with you. I love you too. We just got back from our beautiful hike. Now we're gonna have lunch. Drake is hanging in a hammock. So I'm gonna make some sandwiches. Wash my hands. Don't worry. There you go. I think a bug fell on it. Sorry.
Hey, that's okay.
Is it a bug?
Oh, it's just a piece of wood.
Sour Patch Kids are by far my favorite candy. They're so delicious. We're gonna play a game. These are my favorite candies. So I'm gonna have Drake close his eyes. I'm gonna feed him one at a time, and he has to guess the color. Close your eyes. Ready?
Ready.
First color.
Yellow.
Good job. Okay, next color.
Oh.
Uh-oh. 5, 4.
Blue.
Nope.
Green.
No.
Dang it, it's red.
Okay, next one. You ready?
I've got to clear my mouth with the other flavor.
We need some water?
No, I'm good. Oh, it's green.
Good job. Okay, 2 out of 3. That's pretty good.
Okay. Not sure.
Guess.
Are you giving me the same color twice?
I can't answer that.
Is it red again?
Nope.
Dang it.
I didn't give it to you twice.
It's blue.
You lost. Okay.
I lost.
Well, that one. Okay, so you have 2 right, 2 wrong. So this will see if you win or lose.
It's gonna be orange. Well, it was all the color you haven't done yet.
That's a good point. Okay, we're just gonna do a different random color. Whatever I draw.
Okay. It's still orange.
Lame.
I'm so good at guessing, and I'm not even looking.
Okay, close your eyes. Guess.
Red.
Oh man, you're right. I got him! Tie him up! I did it! I got him! I got him!
That cow's not getting away anytime soon.
With or without the rope.
A dose of lighter fluid.
It's my only chance out here.
Dixie's got a stick. He's gonna help out. First try.
Judas.
Fire!
That scared me.
Feed it, feed it, feed it.
I know, I just am trying to go slow and steady wins the race, you know?
Good. That was perfect.
Judas.
Keep it going.
I'd win naked and afraid. Just kidding.
I'd like to see that.
Because they'd be naked and I'd be afraid.
Big. You did it.
I'm so proud of myself.
You just made a fire.
I know, all by myself in lighter fluid. And matches.
Good job today.
Oh my gosh, let's cook.
Alrighty, day 2 come to a close. Everything from snacking to hiking.
Oh, we ate so much food. Oh my gosh, that's so bad.
It was wonderful. Oh, I love camping. It's so much fun.
Yeah, you just eat snacks. We ate a whole bag of Doritos, a whole bag of M&Ms, like the family share bag.
It honestly didn't feel that unhealthy because we were like in the mountains and breathing
Yeah.
fresh mountain air.
And we hiked. We hiked for a long time.
We did. It was hot. Oh, that hike was so beautiful.
It
too.
was so beautiful, and the dogs were obsessed with it. Oh my gosh.
Good times. Well, we're gonna get some rest before we head out on our final day. But always remember, life is out there, so go live it. We'll see you tomorrow.